Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to check and fix your non-indexed pages in Google Search Console. First, log into your Google Search Console account. Then make sure to select the correct website or property from this list. And then go to pages below indexing. As you see here, for this website called bentutorial.com, I have 44 not indexed pages and just 20 indexed pages. Now to check those not indexed pages, just scroll down here below why pages aren't indexed, and you can see the reasons or the multiple reasons with the correct number here. So for the not found pages, if I click on it, those are the pages that are not found on my website. They were created at one time, but when you check them now, as you see, page not found. If I want to fix this not indexed page, I can recreate or rebuild this page, for example, service 4, and then go back here. After fixing all of, or after recreating all of those pages, I can click on validate fix. They are now processing. As you see, validation started on this date. For the pages that I'm sure I can't recreate for any reason, simply copy the page URL like that. Go back to Google Search Console, then go to removals below indexing and request temporary removal. Enter your page URL and click on next. This URL in all of its variations, with or without the three W's, and with the HTTPS or just the HTTP or just the HTTP, will be blocked from Google Search for about 6 months. You can cancel this at any time. You want to remove this URL? Yes, submit request. Request submitted. Let's go back. Now that I submitted deleting or removing this page, go back to the pages, and below not found, you can see the blocked pages by robots.txt, and you can see those pages. If you want a page to be indexed here, just go to your robots.txt file and remove this page from your website. Let's check my robots.txt. As you see here, I am I don't know how to read this file, but at one time this page was blocked by this robots.txt file. It's pretty much simple. If you want to unblock a page added here, just look for how to unblock a page from robots, or how to edit robots.txt to unblock a page. Now let's go to the page indexing page. As you see here, crawled, but currently not indexed. And this is the trend of this type of not indexed pages. Click on it. As you see here, those are examples of pages that Google crawled, but they are not indexed. Let's open a new page. As you see, same thing for page not found. Here you can either resubmit this page, same thing. Click on copy page URL, go back to Google Search Console, paste the URL here, hit enter. As you see, for this specific page, this URL is not indexed on Google, and those are a little bit of information. And to request a new indexing, or to add a new index request here, click on request indexing and wait a moment. During live testing, indexing issue were detected with this URL. Click on view live tests. URL is not available to Google, I think. Yes, because this page is not found, Google will not index it. Page fetch not found. So this is the error that is blocking Google from indexing this page. Of course, in your case, you should rebuild this page before giving it a try of indexing. And this is how to check the not indexed pages on Google, and also how to fix them. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.